Are you passionate about sharing your thoughts and ideas with the world? Blogging is the perfect platform for you to express yourself and connect with others. Whether you love writing, photography, or sharing tips and advice, blogging lets you showcase your creativity. With just a few clicks, you can publish your content and reach a global audience. Engage with your readers, build a community, and make new connections. The best part? You can blog from anywhere, anytime. Monitor your blog's performance, understand your audience, and refine your content strategy. And yes, blogging can even be a source of income. So, what are you waiting for? Start your blogging journey today. Dear friends and beloved subscribers, as we reach the end of this blog video, I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude. It's time to bid a final thank you and bring this chapter to a close.